Hi everyone, it's Aisha, Beau here, and today I'm going to give you a peek into my body care routine using Butter by Keba. Okay, so before I even get into this video, I'm gonna give y'all, let me show y'all something. Look at my skin. Oh my gosh, my skin is glowing right now. Like, ugh, and it feels so soft. I feel like Kelly Rowland, you know, all glistening and dewy and just looking all beautifully melanated. I am so excited to share with you a new body care brand that I am obsessed with, and it's called Butter by Keba. So Butter by Keba is this brand that I recently got introduced to, and it is a completely cruelty-free, all-natural, no paraben body care and fragrance collection that is Black woman owned. Yes, Black woman owned. So once I found that out and I saw the product line, I obviously had to give it a try. And y'all, it did not disappoint at all. Before I even got the products, I had a feeling that I was gonna really like them, but when I actually got to touch, see, and use the products, I was really impressed. I was happy with the quality of the products and the fact that the founder, Keba, put a lot of detail into the packaging and the way that she just puts everything together. The product shipped on time. When I got them, the package was just so beautifully made. Everything was in its own little bag, and it just gave it a really luxe experience, and that from the get-go made me really happy and satisfied. And then when I actually used them, I was like, oh my gosh, even better. Like, these products are no joke. Butter by Keba carries a range of body butters, lotions, oils, fragrances, candles. It's like an entire head to toe body experience. And I'm happy to say that I've been using the products for some time now, and I'm really impressed with the line. So because I absolutely love these products, and you know that I always have to share things that I am obsessed with, I decided to put together a video where I give you a rundown of each product one by one and go over their uses and how exactly I use them, so that in the event that you're interested in getting this brand for yourself, you have an idea.
I first used her salt scrub in the shower after cleansing my body to exfoliate. Exfoliation is super important if you want soft skin. The reason is because it gets rid of dead skin cells and helps you to produce more collagen to achieve more radiant skin. What I love about her salt scrub is that it isn't too harsh. It exfoliates just enough and then dissolves, leaving behind some moisture that is often stripped away when using a regular bar of soap. Once I get out of the shower, on semi-damp skin, I then go in with the Butter by Keba body lotion and body butter. I actually got this routine from my mom. She's literally the best smelling and softest person ever. And the reason is because at night, she usually layers a body butter on after lotion to really lock in that moisture. I know sometimes with body butter, it seems like it's just a glorified lotion, but the thing is, this one is actually butter soft. When you press into it, it's smooth, and when rubbed across your skin, it dissolves, leaving a nice, dewy glow. Butter by Keba also makes some delicious fragrances that are a nice touch after you're done moisturizing. If you watched any of my Get Ready With Me videos, you know that I love to put some body oil on my pulse points before adding perfume, so the scent lasts longer. To get the max exposure of fragrance, I always spray my wrists, behind my ears, and the nape of my neck.
Y'all should really smell my bathroom right now. Like, I feel like I'm in heaven. It smells so good in here. My skin feels so soft. I can't stop just rubbing on my skin. And whenever I put it on, I'm always like, babe. I feel soft, I feel soft. He's like, yes. The good thing though is that these products are actually unisex, so if your man tries to steal any of them, it's okay. I mean, it's not okay, he needs to get his own, because he can get his own. But it's generally okay for men to use these fragrances as well. And not just the fragrances, the body butters and the body lotions. What I really love about the scents that she offers is that they aren't too like fruity, or like they're not the type of scents that you spray on and you know are gonna disappear right after. These scents are really, really luxurious, and I read online on the website that By Keba was inspired by her trips to Egypt with these fragrances, and I can definitely see that. I've never been to Egypt, but from what I've gathered, these fragrances definitely give me that vibe. Like there's some nice like kind of musky scents and some just really rich and deep fragrances that I absolutely love. I remember in one of my other Get Ready With Me videos, I was talking about how I would steal my boyfriend's cologne because I just love rich fragrances, and it just gives it that nice added luxury to everything. So I highly, highly recommend these products if you're looking to ramp up your moisture game this winter. I know I'm not going to be out here with no ashy ankles, and I don't want you to as well. And I want you to smell good and look nice and glowy and dewy while you're doing that. And if you don't want it for yourself, I think that these products are great as stocking stuffers. They're great holiday gifts. I can almost 100% guarantee you that after my mom sees this video, she's gonna be like, make sure you get me some. She's definitely gonna ask for some herself. And I may or may not get them for you, Mom. I may or may not get them. Anyways, I just wanted to share this amazing brand with you, and I just want to give a big thank you to By Keba for sending me over these luxurious products that I am now obsessed with, and I hope that you all can be as obsessed with them as I am. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when my next video goes live. Until next time.